this is mathematics class. Today in unit 4 we will study about estimation in multiplication and pattern search. These two topics were left, so let me explain these two topics under unit 4. Estimation in multiplication. You have already studied about the estimation of numbers, rounded of the number. Just we see what is there. We have already learned to estimate the sums and difference nearest to the tens, hundreds and thousands. In your previous class you have learned about to estimate the sum. In addition you have learned about estimation. In subtraction you have learned about the estimation the number. Today in this class we are going to learn that estimation in multiplication. How can we do the multiplication by estimating the number? Similarly, we round off the number to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousand to estimate the product. So you have to round off the number nearest 10. If it is asked, you have to round it off nearest tens. Otherwise, if the question is round it off nearest 100, then you have to see the tens place. Look here, the number 31 is nearest to 30. You know, as you have learned in the estimation the sum and estimating the difference, same way here also you have to estimate the number, you have to round off the number. Like 31 is there, so 31 is the number which is closer to the number 30. You have to see when we have to estimate the number on the number line like that. This is like 30, like 30 is there, then 31. Because this number comes in the line of 30, so we start our counting from 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and this is 40, 40. So children, you have learned that the number which is more than this 5, like 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, all any one number is there, anyone like 31 is there, 32 is there, 33 is there, 34 is there. If you have to estimate all these number which are more than 35, the round off of that number is 30 only, as it is given 31, because 31 is closer to 30, so the round of 31 is 30. Okay, we can write it as 30 in estimation. Okay, this is the estimation, this is not the actual value, this is the estimating value. Here we are estimating the number. Clear? If the number is 32, then also 30. If the number is 33, then also estimating value is 30. 34, 30. If the number is 35 or more than 35, like 36, 37, 38, 39, these numbers are closer to the 40. These numbers are closer to 40. So their estimating value is 40. Just think that instead of 31, the number is given 36. Instead of this number, 36 is given. So that estimating value of 36 is 40. Is it clear? So here in the question it is given the number 31 is closer to 30. How? That I have explained you. So estimating value of 31 is 30. The next number is 87. 87 is closest to 87. This 87, it is closest to, because it is this number you have to say 7. It is more than 5, so it is closer to 90. So its estimating value is 90. Now you have to find out the product. You have got two numbers 30 and 90. Now you have to find out the product. Product means you have to multiply. Like here 9 3s are 27. As here are 2 zeros, you have to increase 2 zeros. The product is 2700. Right? Now look the second question. Estimating the product of 325 and 565 by rounding the number nearest 100. Okay, along with this you can open your book also to read the questions. So this is, you have to round off nearest 100. Number is 325. Now when we have to round out the number nearest to hundreds, you have to see the number which is given on tens. This number which is given on tens place, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So the number which is given on tens place is less than 5. It is less than 5. So its estimating value will be 300. We'll go back. Okay. If instead of number 325, if the number is 655, here tens place is more than 5. So its estimating value will be 400. Is it clear, children? So you have to see, when you have to round off the number nearest 100, you have to see the tens place of the digits. Okay, if it is less than 5 or 5, then you have to go back, or if it is more than 5 or 5, then you have to go increase the number. Okay, you have to go forward. Now here the number 567, then the nearest, here 6 is more than 5, so you have to go forward, that is 600. So round off 567 is 600. Now you have to find out the product. You have got two numbers, that is 300 and 300, and this is 600. Now you have to multiply. 6 3s are 12. How many zeros are there? 6 on 6 3 are 12, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So you have to just increase that 4 0. Got the answer? Yes. Now exercise is given for you. I have explained two questions. So these are the exercise which you have to do in the copy. I have explained examples. Okay. So here first question, one more question I am explaining, that is 63 multiply 45. So estimating value of 63. See, it is nearest rounding of each number nearest tens. So nearest in this number. So you have to see one space. This is less than 5. So round off that 63 is 60. And 45, round off of 45, this 5 is 5. So 5, so you have to go forward, it will be 50. Now you have to multiply. 5 6 are 30. 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Got it? So this way you have to complete question 1 and 2. You have to round it off nearest tens. So for rounding the number nearest tens, you have to see the tens place, whether that is 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. Accordingly you have to round off the number. Understood, children? Now there is questions here, pattern search. As I have explained you pattern search, same way you have to do. One I am explaining you here, 3 multiply 9. 3 9s are 27. Got it? Now second, this pattern is based on the first number. Okay, so here 27 you got. What you have to do here? 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is what, children? 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Got it? Then 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. You have to make it single number. You have to make it single number. 1 plus, that is 9. 9. Okay. 9 plus 9, 18. Then 1 plus 8, 9. So the middle number you got it, that is 9, and this side number will be 2 and 7. Second blank is over. Now third, 9 plus 3 times 9 is there. 3 times 9 is there. Then what you have to do? 2. Then you have to add here 2 times 9, 7. And here 4 times is there. Then 2. Write 3 times 9, 7. Clear? So you have to complete this pattern as we had done that 1 to these numbers. Okay. Now look the next pattern. All the patterns are based on this only. Okay, first one you have to multiply, like 4 9s are 36. You got 3 6. Then 9 plus 9, this is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Then what you have to do? You have to add 1 plus 8, that is 9. Okay. So you will get here first number you have got no 36. 4 9s are 36. So the second middle number is 9 and this side numbers are 3 and 6. Clear? So next, if you have to write this 4 multiply 999, then you have to increase 2 9s in the middle number and the side numbers are 3996. This way you have to complete the pattern given on your book page number. Next page also, that next exercise is also based on the pattern. Continue this pattern, fill in the blanks. You have to continue this pattern and fill the blanks. See children, 6 9s are 54, then 5 4 54, then 2 times 9 is there. So you have to write the middle number is 9 because 5 plus 4 is 9. So middle number is 9 and the side numbers are 5 and 4. Here 3 times 9. So side numbers are 5 and 4 because 6 9s are 54. That here, and in between middle numbers will be 2 times 9. Then next 6 multiply 4 times 9. What you have to write in the next? 6 multiply 4 times 9. So this side number will be 5, that equals to 5 3 times 9. If 4 times 9 is there, 3 times 9 4. Got it? Then remaining blanks we have to fill as we have done the first these 4 one. Okay, this also same thing. 5 this means this is completed. Let me show. Here you understood, no? Then 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4. These two 9s are there, no? So that is written, that is expanded. Here how you got this 27? This you have to add all. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 4, that is 22. 22 plus 5 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So you will get the number. Okay. Then here what you have to do next to that, here 2 plus 7, as here you got 2 27, you have to add 2 plus 7, you will get 9. 1 plus 8, you will get 9. Okay, so all this pattern you have to complete it here. Then the pattern in products above is, what is the pattern? Here you have got, no children, 9 18. So 9 18 is done. So in remaining blanks you have to write 27 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. So you have to complete the given pattern as I have explained, like 27, 36, 54, because you will get these numbers in these blanks. Okay, after adding the numbers. Now next is written dash dash dash, they are multiples of dash dash dash. All these numbers are multiples of 9. All these numbers are multiples of 9, like 9 18 27 36 54, then 63. These all are the multiples of 9. So you have to write in this blank 9. Sum of the products of each digit. Sum of the products. Here you are adding the numbers, no children? Look here. Here this side, 1 plus 8 9, 2 plus 7 9. Here we are adding, no? So it is a sum of the products of each digit is 9. What you have to write? 9. When we are adding, we are getting 9 only. So the sum is 9. Third, the first and the last digit of the product are dash and dash. The first digit and the last digit of the product are dash and dash. What are the first digit? Like 5 and 4. So the first and last digit is 5, 5. Here you have to write in this blank 5 and here 4. Complete the pattern, add the digits of the product. So this is over, this question is over. Similarly, this question number 2 is there. You have to same way you have to do that question. The products are, what are the products? When you are multiplying the number, what products you are getting here in this column, that is the product. Like products are 7. 7 to 7, 7 to 14, that are the products. Okay, then if you add the digit of the products we get by adding the digit, here you are adding the digit, no? In which column? Here, this is the product. After the product we are adding the, here you are adding the numbers. So what you are getting by adding, if you add the digits of the product we get here, like you are getting 36, no? So what you are getting in all, 7 9s are 63, 7 9s is 63. So by adding it you will get the number is 36 only, the number will be same. Now next is last, in the product the first and the last digits are, first and last digits are 6 and 3. So you have to complete this exercise. Now one more exercise of this unit, that is the multiple choice question. Multiple choice question, the first question is asked, the product of number of a number and 100 is, what is the number? You have to find the product. A number is there, you don't know the number, so let the number is x. First one I am explaining, let the number is x. The product of a number, product is what, children? When we multiply two numbers, what the result you are getting, that is the product. So the product of a number and 100 is 7,32,000. So when you are multiplying two numbers, like x multiply 100, the equation you will get like that. The product is 7,32,000. Now you have to find out this x, this number, what will be the number. So when you multiply 732 by 100, you will not get, by 7320. When you multiply 7320 by 100, you will get the answer 7,32,000. Because here 3 zeros are there, children, no? In this answer 3 zeros are given, so you have to see that 3 zeros and the number 732. Got it? Now next question, given that 283 multiply 17 is equal to 4,811. So here 283 multiply 170. So the result what you have got, the product what we have got, there you should increase 10. The result will be this. The answer is this. Where that is? This is. How? Because here 0 is increased here. So in answer also, in the product also, you have to increase the 0. Third, the product of 0 and 783. If you multiply any number by 0, any number, like here we are multiplying 783 by 0, always the result is 0 only. So the product is 0. The cost of 5x at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen is, there are 5x. How many x are there? 5x are there. The cost of 5x at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen. In 1 dozen, you know 12x are there. In 1 dozen, 12x are there. That you have learned. Like in 1 dozen banana, 12 bananas are there. So it is saying the cost of 5x at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen. The rate of 1 dozen means 12x. The rate of 12x is rupees 24. So you have to tell the rate of 5x. The rate of 5x. What the rate of 5x will be. So what you have to do, children, you have to this 24 divided by 12 multiply 5. That you have to do. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, and 2 fives are 10. So the result is 10. The answer is rupees 10. Understood? Next, 50 added to the itself. 50 added to itself 100 times. The answer is 50 added to itself means 50 added 100 times. How many times? 50 plus 50 plus 50. This goes on 100 times. So it is asked, the answer is. So what you can do in short, by repeatedly adding, you can multiply 50 by 100. So because here 3 zeros are there, 3 zeros, that answer is 5000. Okay, 5 ones are 5, then 3 zeros. Next question, the number 8 times greater than 236. 8 times greater, same question is asked. There is a number which is 8 times greater than 236. So it means 8 times you have to add 236. Instead of that, you have to multiply 236 by 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 3 are 24 plus 4, 8. Carry 2. 8 to the 16, 17, 18. Is that number is given in the option, children? Yes, this is your correct answer. So you have to solve and get the answer. Simply don't guess the answer, okay? Solve it, then you will surely get the right answer. The biggest answer shall be. The biggest answer shall be. Now you have to see, multiply each number and know the answer. The biggest number is the biggest answer. Like 7 fours are 28, then 3 zeros. I hope that you all have learnt multiplication. Then 5 multiply 5, 25. 5 fives are 25. Here also 3 zeros. Then 3 nines are 27, and here also 3 zeros. So which is the biggest one? This first one is the biggest one, so you have to put tick there. 8th question. The answer nearest to 400 shall be. The answer nearest to 400 shall be. So you have to multiply each number and get the answer which is nearest to 400. Okay, multiply each, like 68 multiply 5. So what you are getting, or you can estimate the number also, like 68. When you are estimating 68, it will be 70. So 5 cents are 35. Okay, when you estimate the number 68, the estimation round off of 68 is 70. Then here you will get the number 35,350. Okay, the first number. Now when you are estimating 72, because 2 is less than 5, so it will be 70 multiply 6. 6 answer 42, 420. Then here 43, when you estimate 43, it will be 40, and you have to multiply that 40 by 9. So 9 4s are 36, 360. So which number is nearest 400? So 420 is the nearest 400. So second option is correct. Got it? Next, that is the 9th one. The value of 400 multiply 400 is the same as 400 multiply 400 is the same as 4 multiply 4 multiply 100 multiply 100, or 4 plus 4. Children, you know 4 plus 4 is 8. So you will not get 4 fours is 16. Okay, just see, 4 fours is 16. So the value of 400 multiply 400 is what? First of all, you have to find out the value of 400 multiply 400. That is 16, then 4 zeros, because 4 zeros are there. Okay, that is 1 lakh. This is 2 to 4 5 60. This is 16 and 4 zeros. Okay, how will you read it? This is 3, 1,60,000. Okay, so the value of 400 multiply 400 is 1,60,000. Now when you are adding, this is 4 multiply 4 is 16, then here 4 zeros are there, it will be same as the what the value you will get by multiplying 400 and 400. Okay, so this our first option is correct. Last one, 10. A multiply 4, A multiply 4, B multiply 3. Select the correct set of values for A and B is. So A multiply 4. Here the value of A is 225. Just put the value 225 and multiply by 4 as it is said in the question. And you have to see B multiply 3. B is here in the option, it is given 300 multiply 3. Now just find out the answer. 300, 3 3s are 9. 4 5s are 20, 0 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 0 1, 4 2s are 8 9. So you got the same value. What is asked? Select the correct set. Select the correct set of value of A and B. So you have got first option only correct. Put it tick. And here your class is over. And we have completed unit 4. All the children have to complete all the work in the copy. This multiple choice questions also you have to do in the copy. Solve it as teacher has showed you. Solve each question and find the answer. Thank you, children.